Kink Gap Bike Chip 2012. Starting off with the grips, Mission Helix grips, I think. Yes. They wear out pretty quickly. Not that good, but for beginners, they're pretty good. Mission bar ends, plastic. Just a regular old brake lever. Mission linear cable. With the bars, we got the Kink Uptown 8-inch rise bars. Really good bars. Red wide too. And going down to the stem, we got the Mission Converge stem. You can see that they made it lighter from like last year. And yeah. The Mission integrated headset, blue cap, pretty sick. The Kink Gap frame 2012, very nice. The paint chips off like really easily, so yeah. I didn't like that part of the bike, but overall I love this bike. I would rape it. The forks, Kink Volt forks, very nice too. Mission Echo unsealed front hub, 3/8 axle. Lace to Alienation PBR rim with crown valve caps. Going down to the guts of the bike, we got my seat. I think it's a Kink Asaric padded pivotal seat. I got this reflector back here because my mom tells me, you gotta respect your mom, dog. Gotta respect her. The Mission Thermalite PC pedals, very nice pedals. They cost like $10 probably. They're very nice. Mission Transit cranks, 3-piece cranks, very nice. Kink Co decimal 25 tooth sprocket. It's sealed. I don't know if you can see that, but it's sealed. We got the Odyssey clear brake pads. Yep. And we got the Kenda contact tires all around, all around. 2.25 in the front, 1.95 in the back. We got the Echo front hub. I think, yeah, Mission Response, sealed 9-tooth driver. Very nice, laced to another PBR rim with another crown valve cap. And chains are just a regular old KMC chain that I got with it. And yeah, overall, this bike's pretty sweet. I recommend you buying it if you're going to buy it or anything. It's a very nice bike, and yeah, thank you.